What is going on, guys? Nightscape here, we are back once again. So I'm currently in Canary Wharf, as you can see. I've just met up with the boy, Dibsdale. Basically, we're here on a bit of a whim today. We have a little challenge that we want to try and do. It's a long shot, and by a long shot I mean this is almost impossible. Today, we're gonna try and infiltrate the building called 1 Canada Square. This one, right here. This is the building in Canary Wharf that has the pyramid on the top. You know, the one with the massive flashing light. This is the second tallest building in London. We're gonna go there now, and we're gonna try and infiltrate and try and get on the rooftop. Let's do this.
This is fucking disgusting. What the fuck? I'm on 25, but there's no fucking, all the doors are locked. This is actually disgusting.
Managed to get past security. Me and Dibs got split up, but we managed to get back together. Now we're in the fire exit. We're getting to the top. Vital. Cheers, mate. Dibs. It's open. Hold this door. Oh my days. Oh my days. in here, but we've literally managed to get to the roof of the pyramid. This is actually insane. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. That's the light right there. Guys, like, I'm actually speechless. This is insane. Like, I can't believe we're actually up here. Crazy, man. Should we touch the top? I feel like I'm here, I need to touch the tip of the building. That's it. I've touched it. I've touched the top of Canary Wharf. That is absolutely insane. My heart is pounding. You can literally just see the whole of London. It's just everything. That is one Canada Square complete. Top of Canary Wharf. If you want to see these pictures, make sure check out Dibs' Instagram @hereâ. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you guys next week.